Whether you just landed in Mauritius, or you have come to see the airplanes fly over your head at the airport, the next beach is just nearby. Are you excited to see this beach? Then, let's go to Blue Bay. This beach is one of the most loved beaches by Mauritians living in the southern part of the island. You will always see locals with their families or loved ones relaxing under the shade of trees and enjoying swimming in the very clean and calm sea water. Let's have a better view. Come with me. Do you notice how we locals like to spend our free time? Nothing is as relaxing and refreshing than a day at the seaside. So, what are the activities you can do here apart from swimming? You can go for snorkeling, glass-bottom boat trips, and scuba diving. But fishing is prohibited in Blue Bay, as it has been converted into a marine park since 1997 and into a wetland since 2008. This has been done to preserve the wildlife and corals in the area. Now imagine the amount of fishes there are. This is a must-go glass-bottom boat trip place. You can book your trips directly on the beach. So, when coming here, don't forget to bring your sunscreen, sunglasses, towel, and beachwear. If you feel hungry, there are a few shops, merchants, and a restaurant nearby, but you can always bring your own food. Do expect crowds though. If you don't like crowds, I will suggest you come here during weekdays as the beach is always crowded on weekends. The best times for swimming if you want to stay away from the scorching sun is the morning before 10 a.m. and after 3 p.m. in the afternoon. If you are coming here for a swim, the tide is not important. But do notice that water is quite shallow. This is low tide now. High tide is more appreciated in Blue Bay. Let's go for a walk. Come with me. There is more to see. You can also go for a stroll on the coastline, and you can choose the best place to relax. Do you want to know what Mauritians don't miss when going to the beach? We make it a must to get some nice ice cream. If you like taking pictures, get ready for some really beautiful spots. I will continue my walk, and I will definitely jump into the sea for a nice swim. Enjoy the rest of the video, and stay tuned if you want to see more about Mauritius.